Thunderstorm warning.
For this county until 3:51.
Has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Tate County, central Christian County, Stone County, eastern Erie County, southeastern Lawrence County, Greene County, until 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:51 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Martinford to near Purdy to near Seligman, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour in gusts and dollar-sized hail. This is a rare indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Springfield, Mesa, Ozark, Republic, Branson, Table Rock Lake, Lake Taney-Kilno, Roaring River State Park, Table Rock State Park, Shepherd Hill State Park, Aurora, Battlefield, Willard, Mount Vernon, Castle, Rogersville, Silver Dollar City, Kimberley, Stratford, and Mariondale. This includes Interstate 44 between mile markers 40 and 90. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If on our Table Rock Lake, get away from water and move indoors or inside of the vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 15 miles from the parent thunderstorm. If you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Move to safe shelter now. Do not be caught on water during a thunderstorm. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time for southwestern Missouri. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following.
This is. Oh, there we go.
Again, very suspicious.